Hello children. Today video is about how to give exam. Okay, how you will give the exam. There's a lot of confusion in your children. So children, a question will come as multiple choice questions. Okay, MCQs will come in which there will be 4 options will be given, out of which only one answer will be correct. So the question can, first of all, the question can come from anywhere in the book, because now there is no restriction of, because multiple choice question is there, so we can debate from anywhere in the book in between, because so you have to go through the chapter. Okay, you have to read the chapter, children, and it's very easy. Once you read the chapter and you have to learn the word meaning. Okay, and question answer, if you learn it, half of the chapter is already covered, isn't it? Question answers, if you learn properly, half of the chapter is already covered. So for exam you will learn the word. Listen to me very carefully. For exam you will learn the word meaning, you will learn the question answers, you will learn all the book exercises which is given at the back of the chapter, and you will read the chapter properly. Also you will learn the name of the poet. Okay, poet's name and his writer name, book writer name, also you learn it. Okay, so these things you have to learn, and the question may come like, and who said to whom, also that I will tell you how to write. Like suppose word meaning, if I take the first chapter, okay, page number 1. See, if I pick up just one word, okay, let's take exclaimed. Okay, now question can come like this: write or pick out or choose the correct meaning of exclaimed. Okay, choose the correct meaning of the word exclaimed. Now 4 options will be given. One will be, suppose any option, one can be suppose happy, second option sad, third option said something loudly to show surprise, and fourth option angry. Okay, now you know which is the correct option. Option number C is correct. Okay, said something loudly to show surprise. So you will tick or you will mark whatever will be asked. You will choose the option number C and you will submit the answer. I mean, there only you will get the option to submit. That will be told to you later in detail how to do. But as for now, I am telling you that how you have to means questions can come. Okay, and it can come like this also: who said to whom types. Like if I take let me see. Okay, if I take yes, if I take chapter 2, okay, Kaku and Lal Hawa, if the sentence come like this, it can come like, who said this sentence? Why doesn't Lal Hawa stop at Choti Dadi, sir? Now who said this sentence? Option may come like 4 options: Kaku, second option Amma, third option Kaku's teacher, and fourth option no one. Suppose it can come, and you know what is the correct option? Option number B, that is Kaku. Okay, so you will choose the correct answer. It can also come like pick up the correct spelling. So learn all spelling also. Okay, in the whatever you are learning, if there is any difficult spelling, so you learn the spelling. It can come like pick up the correct spelling. Suppose if I take this word mighty, okay, M-I-G-H-T-Y, mighty. Option number A is M-I-G-H-T-Y, mighty. Second option is suppose M-I-T-Y. Third option is M-I-H-T-Y, and fourth option is M-I-G-T-Y. So which is the correct option? First one, you know, M-I-G-H-T-Y. So this way you have to pick up the correct spelling also. Okay, and from book exercise also it can come from anywhere. Means any 4 options question will come, and 4 options will be there, 1 option will be correct. So you have to pick up the correct option. See, it will be very easy for you children. If you learn it, then you know which is the correct option. You don't have to recall the answer to write. You just have to see, and once or if you have studied, then you can easily pick out the correct answer. So learn the question answers, learn the word meanings, learn the book exercises which is given at the back of the chapter, and also read the chapter properly and learn the name of the writers, author and poet's name. Okay children, this much you have to do, and then you will be able to get full marks, I am sure. So today I will take who said to whom of the first chapter, and also I will take revision of the book exercise of first chapter, that is Noe saves a whale. So I want you all to take a pencil and open page number 1, and as I will say, you will mark it and you will write there in the book itself. You can write who said to whom. Okay, so it will be easy for you to study. See children, who said to whom means, if I say in Hindi, it is किसने किससे कहा. Okay, so you will first find out the sentences which are in inverted commas. Okay, inverted commas, you know that. So sentences which are in inverted commas, those sentences you have to underline. Okay, if suppose I talk about this first page, see, first paragraph there is no sentence in inverted commas. Okay, in second paragraph, see the last line, what's that. Now see, what's that is in inverted commas, right? So you mark it. Okay, you underline it, or you can make a bracket, whatever you want, you can do it. What's that? Now who has said this? Noe said. And to whom he has said? To himself only, there was no one else. So you write here, Noe said to himself, or simply you can write Noe to himself. Okay, this is number 1. Now in next paragraph you come, see here, oh my, that's a baby whale. You underline this, and just below that, it must have been washed up because of the storm. These two sentences are in inverted commas, no? So you underline these two sentences, or you can make a bracket. Now who has said this? Noe. And to whom? To himself. So you write there, Noe to himself. Now next page, turn your page. Page number 2, second paragraph, you see, first line, now I must be quick. Now I must be quick. It is in inverted commas. So you underline that. Who said this? Noe said. And to whom? To himself. So write Noe to himself. Okay. Now you come down. See here. One more sentence in inverted commas. I hope I have done enough to save the baby whale. This is also in inverted commas. So you underline this sentence, or you can make a bracket. And who said? Again, Noe to himself. Okay. So write there, Noe to himself. Now come down. Now see here again, which is the next sentence which is in inverted commas. See here, father will be very angry with me for bringing a whale inside the house. Okay, have you got? Father will be very angry with me for bringing a whale inside the house. This is in inverted commas, right? So here you underline or make a bracket. And who said this? Noe to himself. Okay, Noe to himself, because there was no one else whom he was talking, so he was talking to himself only. Now come to the last paragraph here, page number 2, last paragraph. See second line. Can we please keep the baby whale, father? It's the only friend I have now. I'll take great care of it. So this is in inverted commas, and you underline it. And who said this? Noe. And to whom? To his father. Okay, so you write here Noe to his father. Okay, Noe to his father. Now come to page number 3, first paragraph. I've been so busy, Noe. I never realized that you were so lonely. This sentence, underline it. After that, second line come. I'm so happy and proud of you for helping this little whale. But you see, Noe, it must be missing its family. We must take it back to the sea, to the place where it belongs. So you have to underline all these lines, because these lines are in inverted commas. Okay, so you underline it, or you can put a bracket. And who said? Noe's father said this. And to whom he was saying? To Noe. So you write Noe's father to Noe. Okay, Noe's father to Noe. So only I think this much is there in this first chapter. No, I think the rest 2 paragraphs there is no sentences in inverted commas. Okay, so you just find out the sentence which are in inverted commas, underline it, and you have to write who said this sentence and to whom it was said. Okay, now we will just take a revision, quick revision of the book exercise. I will tell the answers and quickly you will match the answers that you have written correct or not. So page number 4, children, open it. First is the match the words in A with words B in B to make complete sentences. So first is Noe walked along the shore and first one is spotted something in the distance. Number 2, Noe knew that it was not good for a whale to be out of the water for a long time because number 2 is it could not survive on land for long. So 1 is C, 2 is E and 3 is A. Poured it over the baby whale. 4th is B. Noe filled his bathtub with cold water and put the whale inside. 5th is F. Rowed out into the sea to put it back into its waters. 6th is D. It was hard for him to say goodbye to his friend. Okay. Now B and C is question answers you have done in your copies. You have to learn from the copy itself. Now come to page number 5. Underline the nouns in these sentences. So first one is already done. Second, can you find the face of a clown in this picture? So nouns are, you have to underline face, clown, picture. Number 3, Kiran is going to Mumbai to play a cricket match. So there are 4 nouns here. Kiran, Mumbai, cricket, match. We always go to Dr. Reena. She is an excellent doctor. So Dr. Reena and doctor. 5th, the animals are at the pool to drink water on a hot day. Animals, pool, water, day. 6th, our cat Roxy has become friendly with our neighbors' parrots. So cat, Roxy, neighbors, parrots. Parrots, yes. Okay. Now turn the page. 6th one. Complete these sentences with the abstract nouns from the words in color. Check with your teacher or a dictionary for the correct spelling. First one is already done. Second, plants grow well in our garden. The sunlight helps their growth. GROWTH. Third one is bravery. BRAVERY. 4th is honesty. HONESTY. 5th is laughter. 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 Now C1, circle the collective nouns in these sentences. So when we talk about something, some people or things in group, they are known as collective nouns, right? So first one is already done. Second, please put away that pile of clothes on your bed. So pile, you have to underline or you can make a circle around pile. Third, our school has a large network of computers. So collective noun is network. There is a fleet of taxis parked outside the hotel. So collective noun is fleet. We bought a bunch of bananas at the fruit shop. So collective noun is bunch. They saw a large herd of elephants bathing in the river. So collective noun is herd. Now A1, replace the words in color in these sentences with the words from the box. So first one is, as Noe walked along the shore, he spotted something in the distance. So in place of spotted, what you will write? Saw. SAW, saw. Second one, in place of difficulty, you will write effort. EFFORT, effort. Third, in place of safe, you will write protect. PROTECT, protect. Fifth, in place of take great care of, you will write look after. Okay, LOOK, look after. Next, page 7. In place of go back, you will write return. RETURN. And 6th one, in place of hoped, you will write wished. WISHED, wished. Now come to B1. Match the words in A with the words in B to form compound words. Write them in C. So first one is in C column. First one is motorboat. Second is seashell, SEASHELL, shell. Third is notebook. Fourth is upstairs, UPSTAIRS, upstairs. Fifth is cupboard, CUPBOARD, cupboard. 6 is table, spoon. Next one, blue whales are the largest animals that live on the earth. So correct option is largest. Second, correct option is A1, that is to look for food and a warm climate. Third, correct option is C, that is krill. Fourth, correct option is A, loudest. Turn the page. Fifth one, correct option is C1, that is decreased their population with time. Okay children, so this much is there. I hope you have matched the book exercise and you have written it all correct. So please children, again I am repeating that please learn all the word meanings, learn the spellings, learn the question answers, and learn the book exercise. And most important, you have to read the full chapter properly, and also don't forget to learn the name of the poet and writers. Okay children, so I hope it is clear to you now. Thank you.